Hello everyone. Today I'll demonstrate how to sew the body to the head of your crochet project. Begin by pinning the body to the head securely. Using a tapestry needle threaded with 2 strands of matching or black cotton thread, insert the needle through the back loop on the body and the corresponding stitch on the head. Continue this process around, ensuring a snug fit. As you progress, remove the pins from the sections you've sewn. To finish, weave the needle through several stitches, split the tail into 2, tie a few knots, and tuck them inside the toy. Your project now has a neatly attached head. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.